I got another mystery box. This one comes to us all the way from Louisiana. My buddy Big Lou barbecue and other things I want to do. I got to tell you the story behind this box. Big Lou, he won some pineapple pepper jelly from me, and I sent it to him. And when he did the unboxing, one of his other fans sent him some Texas Pete hot sauce. So I jokingly said to him, you know, Big Lou, if you don't want that Texas Pete hot sauce, you can send it to me. So he says, yeah, I'll send it to you. He says, I got something else for you too. He says, are you right-handed or left-handed? I said, well, I'm right-handed, but you know, what possible difference does that make? He says, well, I got a surprise for you. I said, whoa, a surprise. I'm into surprises. So look at the kind of tape he's got on here. He's got that like Gorilla Tape. So I figured my Gerber's not good enough, so I got my Kalashnikov out. This puppy's razor sharp. Let me tell you what, I'm scared of it, to be honest with you. I can't carry it in my pocket because it's a switchblade. It's illegal. But I mean, it ain't putting up that tape ain't putting up no resistance to this Kalashnikov. Let's get this puppy open. I can't. I'm scared of this knife. I cut myself every time I use it. Anyway, let's see what's in here. I got a note. Here's a note. Big Lou, his handwriting is almost as bad as mine. Okay. Dear Sal, aka Rootboy, that's me. Thanks for the pepper jelly and the rub. As you know, I also received a lot of Texas Pete hot sauce. So I'm sending you this. Pleased to share some with you. I'm also including a bottle of Louisiana Gold hot sauce. Oh, that sounds good. This is one of my 3 personal favorites. Louisiana Gold can be hard to find. Yeah, especially here in Florida. I want you to have the Cajun Pit Sticks. This is a great tool, handmade about 45 minutes from where I live. This is the medium size, and there I own all 3 sizes. I use it for grilling and deep frying. And the backyard kitchen, I even use it for to get pickles, olives, and peppers out of the jars. It takes a bit of, I'm not sure what that says, but anyway, Cajun Pit Sticks. So I got, let's see what I got here. Wow, really well packed. Plenty of packing material. Get that over there. I think I'm going to need the Kalashnikov again because he's got that black tape on there. See if we can get that off. I hope he didn't send me that big bottle of Texas Pete. I didn't want that big bottle. I wanted one of the smaller ones. But yeah, let's see what we got here. Yeah, this is what I was hoping to get. One of the really hot ones. Super hot Texas Pete, I think. And even though this knife is razor sharp, I'm still having a hard time getting this off of here. Texas Pete hot sauce. Yeah, I was hoping he would send me one of the small jars of Texas Pete. Boy, am I struggling with this stuff. Wow. Yeah, this is Texas Pete extra hot sauce. I think I'm going to like that. Thanks, Big Lou. That looks great. What else we got? He sent me this thing. Oh, you know what? This is just like my, I have something similar to this. This is, he said this, I forgot what he called this. A Louisiana pig sticker? Something like that. Anyway, yeah, this is just like my, my Carolina hooker. I got a thing like they call a Carolina hooker. Boy, oh boy, this stuff is tenacious. I'm not lying. Come on, get off of there. Goodness. I'll tell you what, I've never had so much trouble in my whole life. Yeah, this is a really cool, these are right-handed and left-handed. I had no idea. This is the handcrafted Cajun Pit Sticks. What you do with this is, if you want to flip a steak, you hook the steak with it and you flip it, it only makes one hole in the steak, you know, instead of making a bunch of holes in the steak. That's really great. Thank you, Big Lou. What else did you see? You sent me more Texas Pete. Goodness. I know he got a lot of Texas Pete hot sauce. Oh no, he sent me 2 jars. No, this is something else here. Let's see what this is. This tape is, this Gorilla Tape is really Really putting up a fight, let me tell you what. And this bubble wrap is also very tenacious. Let's see what this is. Oh yeah, I can't get this. This is I can't get this. This is Louisiana Gold. Am I holding that right? Louisiana Gold hot sauce, pepper sauce. I bet that's really good. I've never even seen that. I don't know what that is, but and then I got another jar of Texas Pete. This is what I was expecting him to send me, the little jar of Texas Pete, but not the big jar. Big Lou, you're a very generous fellow. Let me tell you what. Very nice of you to send me all this stuff. And yeah, I'll use this stuff up. Texas Pete hot sauce is good stuff. It's not as good as Louisiana. You know, to a Cajun, this is like a sacrilege. Because they only use, I think is there something else in there? No, that's it. Yeah, they only like Louisiana hot sauce, Texas Pete original hot sauce. This is what Lou got from his, one of his subscribers. And hope you can see all that. Yeah, it's my booty. That's my winnings from Big Lou barbecue and other things I want to do. To a Cajun, Texas Pete hot sauce is nothing. They like Louisiana hot sauce and they like Crystal hot sauce. And they don't want to hear about any others. And this, what do they call this? The Cajun pit sticks. This is just like my Carolina hooker. That he says he uses it to get pickles out of a jar. She used that for us to flip a steak. So I'm going to have to cook a steak now, Big Lou, so I can show people how to use my Louisiana pick sticks. My Louisiana Gold hot sauce, I bet that's delicious. Texas Pete, hotter than hot sauce. And regular Texas Pete, they're good, they're fine. Not as good as Louisiana or Crystal hot sauce, but very good. Big Lou, thank you so much, dude. I wasn't expecting all this, I'll tell you. And thanks a lot for the stuff. And I hope you like the pepper jelly. I haven't seen you make anything with it yet, but I'm sure you're going to fix up something with it soon. Anyway, that's my mystery unboxing, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. Bye.